Hello everyone, this is my review of the Smart Dimmer Switch. As you can see, it has LED lights embedded in it so you can see it in the dark at night when the lights are off. You can turn it on manually and turn it off manually and set the dimmer high or low manually by just sliding your finger like this over this slot here. And you can see where the settings are by the LED lights lighting up. You can see me manually turn it on and off here, but you can also use Alexa and Google Smart House to turn on and off this light switch, which I'll be demonstrating to you a bit later. It has a nice click to it when you turn on and off the switch as well. Okay, I will demonstrate the switch with Alexa now. Alexa, turn off guest room light. Alexa, turn on guest room light. Alexa, dim guest room light. Alexa, dim guest room light more. This has been my review of the Smart Dimmer Switch.